wife gets on to me for not throwing away my stuff, but look, man, I got all these screws and fasteners from all my other projects. I'm gonna use them on this one. Save me some trips to the hardware store for sure. I had to stop my other video because it was getting too dark. So I thought I'd come out here this morning and do a little bit more work and maybe make a clearer video, a little bit better video, so you guys could see what I had done yesterday. And I'll include a link to these. I got these from Amazon, as well as the magnetic clips. And I think the plan is I'm going to put a white back on this, and I'm going to finish installing this bottom here. Probably could have used something a little bit smaller than that. But that seems to work pretty well. Always add another latch if that one's not tight enough, but I think it is. My faucet, had to ship it back. I got another one coming, and it's one of those, you know, kind of with a sprayer that hangs over and everything. So I think it'll work out pretty well. I got to find me a nice cooktop I'm going to use in here. And go ahead and I'll probably fasten this in here. I'm thinking about putting a switch right here for the door. I'll have to figure that out because I know the wiring for the door is right back here. But yeah, I like the way it's coming out. Some of the material I used in the box camper, polywall utility panel. I'm not even sure if they sell this at Home Depot anymore. You can probably order it. But I think I'm going to use that to coat the inside of the cabinet. Make it nice and white back here. Need to do a little trimming on it, but that's how it's gonna be sealed up anyway. Something like that. Wife wants a smaller fridge in here, so I'm gonna be on the lookout for a smaller refrigerator. Need to buy an air conditioner, and need to get back on working on this idea. Kind of letting this one marinate over here. This idea with the shower. I don't know if I showed you guys this drain I got. Got a long flat drain. What I wanted to do is have it drain out the back side, so it really didn't have to go underneath. But it's got a 2-inch drain right here. I'll probably end up using that. Plus it's got a nice way to attach it. So I haven't figured that out yet.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.